Today we're going to be learning about the Web 2.0 technology called Kahoot. Kahoot is a free, game-based learning platform that allows educators to create and administer multiple-choice quizzes, jumbles, or surveys. Kahoot can be used to review and reinforce topics, gather classroom data, discover learner opinions, and encourage collaboration. It can be played in real time by the whole class and can be accessed using smartphones, tablets, and computers. I'll show you how to create Kahoots or find pre-made quizzes as we explore. Let's start by showing you how to make an individual free account. First, click the Sign Up button in the top right-hand corner. You'll need to decide whether you're going to sign up as a teacher, student, socially, or for work. For this demonstration, we'll sign up as a teacher. Fill in all necessary information and select Join Kahoot at the bottom. When you log in, you will be prompted to create a new Kahoot. You can create one right away or at any time using the Create button at the upper right-hand corner. There are also important icons at the top such as Discover, Kahoots, and Reports. The Discover tab allows you to see featured Kahoots that were pre-made by different companies and other Kahoot users. The Kahoots tab allows you to view all of your previously created Kahoot activities. Reports allows you to download and view student reports from your activities. In an educational setting, Kahoot is a great way to make assessments more exciting for your learners. It adds a competitive element, and I have found from personal experience that even your most quiet class will get into the activity. Additionally, teachers can gain useful insight from the data collection features. Now I'll show you how to create your own Kahoot. You'll need to decide whether you want to create a quiz, jumble, discussion, or survey. For this demonstration, we'll create a quiz. You'll need to add a title, description, and audience. You can also upload an image. Once you're done, select the OK Go button in the top right-hand corner. You can now add questions using the purple plus sign. Type your question in the top box, select a time limit, and add your responses. You can also upload an image or a YouTube link. Click Next when you're done. From there, you can add more questions, or once you're happy with your Kahoot, click Save. From there, you can edit, preview, play, or share your activity. Clicking I'm Done takes you back to your personal game library. You then have the option to play the game with your class or create a challenge. If you want to use a Kahoot in real time with your class, click on Play, and your students will go to kahoot.it. Your class can then play in Classic or Team mode. Once you've chosen the mode you want to use, click on it, and the students will be provided with a game pin. Have your students enter their pin into the app or at kahoot.it. They will then be able to play and select answers directly from their device. All questions are timed, and student leaderboards and correct answer streaks will be displayed between each question. If you would rather use a pre-made quiz, you can access thousands of quizzes made by educational companies and other Kahoot users on the Discover tab. Simply see what is currently being featured or use the search bar at the top. By selecting a quiz, I can preview the questions and make sure it's what I'm looking for. Kahoot supports a learner-centered classroom by allowing students to break away from traditional assessments, engage in the learning experience, and get excited about an activity. Students get the opportunity to collaborate with their peers and engage in friendly competition. This competitive element helps students take ownership of their learning. Kahoot could be useful in a classroom using goal-based learning by giving students a sense of accomplishment. Additionally, teachers can track their students' goals and learning through the game reports. In conclusion, Kahoot is a game-based learning platform that allows educators to access and create engaging assessments and data collection games. Educators can create a variety of activities. Students can compete individually or as teams to review concepts, practice skills, and answer questions. Teachers can use game results to gauge student progress. Kahoot is an easy-to-use technology for goal-based learner-centered activities. Students get excited to answer questions, compete, and collaborate with their peers. While there are some drawbacks, such as being limited to multiple-choice questions and requiring a strong internet connection, I hope that you take the time to explore Kahoot and all of its possibilities.